Welcome to your 5-minute upper body balls and bands workout. So have it handy and let's begin. The first exercise is for the whole upper body. A great way to firm and tone. We're going to do an overhead press. So place your band underneath your feet and we're going to take it up and back down. Think about good posture while you're sitting on your ball. You're engaging your ab muscles. Zip up those abs. Belly button in towards your spine. Strong bodies, strong minds, because you are worth it. Really feel the muscles working in the upper body, your arms, your chest, your upper back. Really pull it down, feeling the elbows behind you. This is a great way to firm and shape and tone and strengthen. We got 2 more. Overhead press. Beautiful, sexy shoulders. Back is strong and straight. That's it. Last one. Press it up. Beautiful. Now we're going to turn to the side a little bit. I want you to see this. We're going to crisscross your band, and now we're going to work the muscles of your upper back. Lean slightly forward. Your body is straight, and you're lifting your arms up and back down. Thinking about good posture again. Squeeze the shoulder blades together in the back. Yes. We'll firm up that area. No more bra overhang. That's it. Strengthening to improve your posture. These are your upper back muscles. So important to keep strong. Look great from behind. That's it. We got 2 more. Last one. Really take it up. Squeeze that shoulder blade together and release. Beautiful. Now it's time to target tone your upper back. So, first of all, thinking about good posture, we're going to lean forward and we're going to press and tricep toners. This is working the muscles of your back of your arms. Target tone. But notice my back is straight. My nose is down and my neck is long. You lift your elbows up and release. It's tricep toner time. No more jigglies back there. Come on, we'll firm it up. So when we wave goodbye, nothing will jiggle. That's right. This is working the muscles to firm, to tone, to really shape. Great for our bones too. We got 2 more of these. Last one. Work those triceps and release. Now it's time for our bicep curls. Thinking about good posture, place your arms out in front. You're gonna bicep curl, reach up and back down. Beautiful, sexy arms. It's worth it. You can do it. Firm it up. That's it. Really think about good postures. Your stomach in, your belly pulled in. That's it. Great. You're gonna have nice, sexy arms. Shape, sculpt, and strengthen. 2 more. You can do this. Really feel it. Last one. Beautiful. And now for the shoulders. We're going to do a lateral raise. Reach out and back down. Reach out. It's so much easier on your joints with this beautiful band. That's right. It really helps. A resistance band. Thinking about tall backs. That's it. Strong. Straighten up your spine. Pull in your belly button towards your back. That's it. Beautiful, sexy shoulders. Strong. You got 2 more. Last one. That's it. Beautiful. Now it's time to work on our chest. So bring your ball a little further back and slowly roll down your back. Bring your band around your back and slowly lift up your hips. Now it's time to do a chest fly. Bring your chest in front and release. That's it. Your back is strong. It's straight. You're working the chest muscles. That's it. Thinking about your back. Release. For those of you that have any neck issues, go ahead and roll the ball a little further down and relax your neck in this position. That's a great chest firmer. We must. We've got 2 more. Last one. That's it, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. You did it, your 5-minute upper body workout.